Students, in previous video, I explained you the chapter number 8 from our moral education, importance of time. So today we will do the question answer of that lesson. What is the importance of time in everyday life? Answer: time is precious. Everyone in this world accept the importance of time. Proper use of time has a special significance in the progress of mankind. Someone has rightly said, "The arrow shot from a bow, words once spoken and the time which has passed never return." So working on time is the proper use of time. Question number 2. What was the secret of Dr. Vishveshwarayya's long life? Dr. Vishveshwarayya's secret of long life was doing all work in time. I do all my petty work in time. I eat on time, sleep on time, go to walk on time and do my exercise on time. Question number 3. Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkatraman began his lecture in the absence of the president. Was it proper? Give reason for your answer. Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkatraman was to deliver a lecture at a meeting. The meeting was to begin at 6 o'clock. Dr. Raman reached there 10 minutes before scheduled time and took his seat on the dais. After a few minutes, the clock struck 6. The organizers did not know what to do. Raman waited for some time, then he got up from his seat and said, "The president who has not yet come," pointing towards his vacant chair, and began delivering his lecture. The president arrived after several minutes and took his seat without saying anything. Dr. Raman was very punctual. The lecture delivered by Dr. Raman at the fixed time of meeting. So we can say that time is very important to all of us. Question number 4. What were the parents of the two children worried about? Answer: the parents of the children worried because the children were not in the habit of doing their work in time. Always they excuse. Question 5th. What did the parents do to reform the children? Now once their school decided to go for a picnic. Both the children had to join the picnic. The parents thought of making use of this occasion to teach them a lesson. Question number 6. What difficulties did the children face when the parents implemented their plan? Answer: the parents said for each work, just 1 minute. When children said to their father, "Papa, give us some money quickly, we are already late," the father said, "Just a minute." Question 7. What did the children come to know when they reached the school? When the children reached the school, all the children had already left in their buses. They were very sad. Question 8. What did the children decide to do? Answer: the children decided that we have to change our ways. Our parents now know about our habit of putting off the work. Question number 9. What did the children promise to their parents? Answer: after reaching home, they asked pardon from their parents and promised to do their work in time. Question 10. Learn this doha by heart. काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगो कब. So students, here we complete our question answer of lesson number 8, importance of time. Students, इस लेसन में आपने क्या सीखा? समय की महत्ता को, कि समय जो है वो बीता हुआ समय जो है वो कभी वापस नहीं आता, इसीलिए हमें हमेशा अपने समय का सदुपयोग करना चाहिए. So all of you have to write it and learn it.